For decades, we have known that our traditional linear production and consumption models were unsustainable. The circular economy discussion has highlighted alternative circular models of production that emphasize recycling, remanufacturing, and refurbishment. Rather than valuable materials being lost outside of the system, they can be recaptured and their value retained. At RIT, we have seen the benefits that accrue to businesses that pursue increased circularity in their systems. In one industry case, the remanufacturing of a single component resulted in a 90% reduction in materials use and waste generation. This is tied to real cost reductions that all businesses should be interested in. Much remanufacturing research has focused on heavy equipment, vehicle, and military applications, far from the everyday consumer. We are interested in exploring whether there are legitimate business opportunities that not only employ the more circular practice of remanufacturing, but that also expose consumers to the importance of reducing waste, retaining value, and embracing more circular systems. In particular, one of our projects is focused on examining the business case for remanufactured office furniture. What better touchpoint with consumers than the very furniture that millions of us work at every day? Although the valuable components of a traditional cubicle workspace may not be obvious, we have partnered with Staples, an office supply store with significant interest and initiative in the circular economy, as well as Davies Office, a business that has been profitably engaged in office furniture remanufacturing for many years. Like all remanufacturers, Davies Office first disassembles used office furniture to recover the core, the valuable structural components of the item. Common remanufactured items for Davies Office include the components of your standard cubicle workspace, the cubicle panels, work surfaces, and metal file units. Davies Office first takes the recovered core, then some new components to replace wear and tear, and integrates everything into a newly remanufactured office furniture product. For Davies Office, the value proposition is all about sustainability and transparency, bringing back business assets to like-new condition, to match the customer's specification, and all without compromise on quality. As with other industrial applications, the remanufacturing of consumer-facing durable goods, like office furniture, has proven profitability and savings. Davies has tracked its own data and performance, revealing an average savings between 40% and 70% in the cost to the consumer. This is in addition to the environmental benefits of remanufacturing, which include a reduced carbon footprint, reduced waste going to landfill, and energy and natural resource savings. Ultimately, our work with Davies Office will help to highlight the business case for many different types of companies to find an opportunity in the transition to more circular business models. In the consumer space, remanufacturing has great potential for certain types of products, including electronics. And the remanufacturing research being conducted at RIT's Center for Remanufacturing and Resource Recovery is worth checking out. By bringing circular economy examples and thinking into everyday living, such as through remanufactured office furniture, we can help to demonstrate the role that consumers have to play in driving a faster scale-up to more circular economies across all sectors.